Hi, so we're making a program to randomly generate silly names, okay? So the first thing we do, we import system, then we import random, then we define the main function, and of course we comment about what it would be. So this function basically just tells the program to choose between two tuples of names and randomly pick from each one of them. So to make that set, we need to use the system to see if we could actually print the color, although that didn't work out using Py.3. So we say the first name is equal to a selection of names that I chose. We've got Fancy Pants and we've got some others as well. So we print that one out and then we say, okay, baby oil and, cornbread, because I thought that was going to be a cool name. The last thing we of course want to do is we also a child. We also want to have a last name, and we have to also select from a variety of last name options to pick from. Remember, tuple is like a list of names, so you could just have. Oh, we just got to be red here. So you could have penny whistle, kingfish. You want to make something really cool, and okay, so we check again. We start the program with a while loop. So this loop is going to be true for all time. And then we set a first name picker to be a random choice from the first names. And then we set a last name picker to be a random choice of last names. So we print a new line, and here we trick the idle by using fatal error settings to print names in red. Okay, so we then also try to format how the code will be printed out by using a print and a string input dot format. Let's say first name picker, last name picker. Let's say file will be equal to system dot, try to print out error. But I made a mistake there. It's not std. It should be sdet for the error message. I know. Then we print out some blank line spaces. Then we make a variable retry for the use of the program to, try again. So you can say press enter to continue, else press N to quit. And so we leave some space again for the user to do that. And then we're still in process formatting. We now check if the user presses retry, and we use the dot lower method to make sure that even if we uses a uppercase N, we can still break out of the function. And then I had a little bit of issues with the input, but it worked out in the end. So we say if name is equal to the main program, you should do, but you see it printed out as name error, so we had to go change that to stder. So now the program works fine. We can see baby oil, kingfish names, baby oil, penny, nice names. And so fancy pants overpack, and we're just trying out the code again and looking for different things. And then we can now save it, and I save it in a file on my Android device called Pydroid Projects, and then I call the program funny name generator.py. All right, thank you.